My name is Andrew Blattner, and today I'm presenting Exercise 1 using AI in France. What is AI? AI, or artificial intelligence, is the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, especially computer systems. The characteristics of the technology are machine learning and deep learning. AI does require a foundation of specialized hardware and software to write and train these machine learning algorithms. It works by ingesting large amounts of labeled training data, analyzing the data for patterns, and making predictions about future states. AI can resolve problems by reducing the time needed for tasks, increasing productivity, and being available 24/7. France is not a leader in AI development, but it is chasing the US, Great Britain, and China on this technology and is actively trying to rectify the difference between them. Who uses AI? The answer to this really is everyone. Everyone uses AI, whether it's Siri on your iPhone or ChatGPT. Potential users can be anywhere from multi-billion-dollar companies to a low-level content creator, all the way to a fifth grader with a phone. Some positive and negative impacts on AI is that it can create jobs. For example, AI auditing, AI repairing, AI training, and it can cost people jobs, which can come in any industry that can be automated. Uh, some job opportunities is AI training, which is writing the program and quite literally training the AI to understand it, giving it the data to synthesize. Developer, which helps develop the platforms that AIs use. Information sciences and data sciences and all of those kind of things, the technological sciences that drive the data that goes behind AIs. But my personal favorite is an AI ethics expert. Their job is to monitor AIs, monitor its use, and make sure it's used in an ethical way. You basically need to be able to allow the AI to implement its ideas, but make sure no harm comes out of the use. Guard against any potential consequences that can come from it. Salaries range from 79,000 to 189,000, and many of these people come out of a marketing or human resources career path. Where are they using AI? Uh, Paris. The French National Assembly just approved AI use to monitor crowds during the 2024 Paris Olympics. France is now instituting an AI monitoring all throughout the city, and it's going to be a very interesting use because France has been very behind and has not seen anything like this before. So as they move into implementation and closer to the Olympics, how does this go over? Because some of the challenges and opposition are the ethics behind that. Is it ethical to watch people 24/7? Many people will argue no, some people will argue yes. You really just need to find the way to silence that opposition and work around the concerns of the people. And synthesizing human information, does it track you? Does it monitor your online purchases, your credit card information, your address, passwords, all those things that you need protected? Does it monitor those and does it synthesize it? And should something go wrong, is there a potential problem? My three favorite uses personally are public monitoring. So the way that it's going to be used at the Olympics, security, so cybersecurity, it can be used to combat hackers, things like that, or even to try to track terrorism or things of that nature. There are a lot of security implications that I think are really interesting. In customer service, I just find the idea of the chatbots that you find on websites incredibly interesting, and I think that that is a really cool implementation of AI. Why are they using it? The company in France that I researched is L'Oreal. It's a makeup company, and it's incredibly well known around the world. And some of the strengths of its AI usage is that it uses AI to rewrite their websites in different languages. I thought that was super cool. It can make predictions for what companies can sell, what customers want to buy. How does How do they sell more? The AI can try to help them by doing a lot of different things, such as sending out emails with offers and things like that. And then my favorite one is their virtual makeup sample and their studio. You can hold a camera up to your face on Amazon, and L'Oreal created the studio that Amazon uses to allow people to try on different shades of makeup. Some weaknesses of AI with L'Oreal is that for a makeup company in particular, it's really difficult to gauge the financial impact of the AI. Do people respond to the deals that it could send out? Does the makeup studio help you sell more makeup? And it's an incredibly expensive and time consuming development process. Does that does that come back to bite you if it doesn't sell enough? Some of the opportunities, though, is shopping in general can be a leading AI industry, whether it's the chatbots or automated deals, automated emails, anything that can drive customer traffic to your website or your store. And online sales and in-person sales can be assisted by AI, whether it's through an app or whether it's through a website, whatever it may be. But some threats to L'Oreal is that every major company does have the ability to create a variation should it be successful. They guaranteed will not be the only company to do something like this uh, for much longer if it's successful. When are they using AI? Mass adoption is already in action all across Europe, North America, and Asia in particular. Some It is a luxury to be able to have AI, so some of the more third world countries will not have that. Some ethical concerns are people losing jobs, and the ethical concerns of privacy, spyware, things of that nature. And many companies do see it as a way to increase profit and profitability. So there will be a way to circumvent those ethical concerns and losing jobs so that it can be used. Solving development goals in France. AI can aid in education. It's programmed to learn. It can learn how people across the world combat these things, and it can be a way to implement it all over the world. Um, AI also can innovate any industry, even makeup. If AI can innovate makeup, it can innovate anything. You can use it to create a makeup studio, anything like that. It can innovate anything. And if AI does cost some jobs, AI can also do one good thing out of that, which is bring down the price of goods. You can bring down the price if people aren't being forced to pay wages for 100 employees to sell 20 items. There are ways that it can be a good thing to the people who can't always afford. Two truths and a lie. I'm going to read three statements, and it's your task to try to figure out which two are true and which one is a lie. One, AI will replace all human jobs. Two, AI programming is incredibly complex. And three, AI presents a clear danger if it is used improperly. Thank you.